Hey, this is going to be a super quick video, but I'm going to show you I can type in localhost Acme and then products. And it does bring up all of this. If I hit category, it'll bring up all of the categories. Same as if I hit products, it brings up all of this. Um, as far as it's all concerned, it does not actually work right now. I am working on it. It takes me to this. Um, I all of my code does validate though. Um, Let me pull it up real quick. So validating CSS. Oh, it's saying that it's not found, so they can't validate it. Let's go back. Let's validate this. Oh, it's saying it's not found. It's not going to let me validate it. For some reason, I'm having problems with my paths. Let's see if it'll let me validate my HTML. It's saying it can't be checked. Well, cool. Um, Obviously, I didn't finish it. I am still working on it.